Call Papa. 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 Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm coming to you this morning in my war attire. That's what I love to call it. I'm just coming from war, y'all. War. I guess all of us goes to war differently, and I approach mine with a rush of adrenaline. This is my war face. Yes, my war face is not grumpy and ugly. My war face is smiling and wet. Anyway, you guys, enough of my antics. I just finished working out. I did solely run this morning, so that's what you guys will see. Just a sneak little peek of me trotting away on this treadmill. Hopefully you guys are up and doing well, and if it's in the morning, you guys are feeling productive and ready to take on the day like I am feeling after this amazing run just now. Yeah, so I'm ready to take on the day. The fam bam is just around the house lounging. Sarah is sleeping, baby's resting. I don't know if he's sleeping, but he's resting. He's laying down. Tyler is, I think, in his room playing or somewhere playing. But I am going to go get fresh and approach this day head on, as Sarah is taking a nap. It's perfect time for me to jump in the shower and get some stuff done around here. So have a good day, enjoy the rest of the vlog. Whatever it is we're about to show you guys, make sure you guys get some kind of physical activity done today, whether it's jump, run, walk, skip, even dance. You best believe that when you dance and move around your body, the amount of calories you'll burn, you won't even realize it. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up if it's your first time to our channel. Be sure to subscribe and vibe and keep up with the fam bam. I am going to get fresh, and I'll see you guys in a bit with the rest of the fam bam. Have a good day. Well, just as I entered the house, somebody's awake. Didn't get to reach the bathroom, but somebody is awake and up and waiting for me. Hello. Hello, how long you've been in here? How long you've been in here? Hi. Hi. Pretty girl. Say good morning to the thieves. Say good morning, morning. You're up? You're up, sugar? Mama is wet, you know. Mama is wet, you know. Mama is wet. Oh, girl, don't hold on to my wet skin. Oh my God, I have to go put you down because I'm like, hello, hello, look who is up, look who is up. And brother will be happy to see you. Brother will be happy to see you.
Come to play with me, Sarah.
Brother will be happy to see you.
Sarah, come play Paw Patrol with me.
Tell us a morning to the fibs.
Morning, Faith.
Look who is happy to see you. Now I need to go shower, girl. You're up. Okay, so now that Sarah is up, I don't think I'm going to shower. I think I'm gonna go wash my bathroom first. Oh, and here she's coming behind me. Pee pee clock clock. Which means Papa is gonna have to get up right now because I need him. You guys, I'm making lunch for the family. And for lunch, I am making ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling, which is one of my family's favorites. And of course, Tyler loves dumpling. Fried dumpling. Tyler loves any dumpling. Boiled dumpling, fried dumpling, it don't really matter. But Babe, on the other hand, is not a fan of boiled dumpling, but Babe loves fried dumpling. So to make everybody happy, we're going for fried dumplings. So I'm just cutting up the seasonings for the ackee and saltfish right now. So I'm using assorted sweet peppers, onions, scallion, a little hot pepper. They bought these hot pepper, but they ain't hot at all.
Really? Hello. Hi guys. When is the weekend?
You can't rub me when I'm handling the knife.
Why not?
Because it's awkward. You won't get caught.
No, you get caught, not me.
You want me to get caught? If that's what you're thinking.
Hi guys, it's the weekend. Mean I'll stay home this weekend.
What? You stay home every day.
Everybody enjoy the weekend and stay home. Enjoy. No, at least we stay home. We're doing family activities. We cleaning, we cooking, we watch TV,
play
games, everything that we do in a week. So that's the beauty of the weekend. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you all
and if I wait on the ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry. It's after 12. It's almost 1 p.m.
So why you didn't cook while I was cleaning?
Because I was feeding Sarah, and then I was cleaning other kitchen and cleaning living room and clothes.
Where?
You want me to tell you what I did?
Yes.
Unpack what was on the dish drainer. I sort out some papers. She thinks she's the only one to walk at home. No, sir. No. Look at this preparing that you have here.
These are hot, man. I remember gone are the days when I would never try tin ackee, but boy, tin ackee tastes just like the ackee coming fresh off the tree to me. There is no much difference. So if you're overseas and you have fear of trying tin ackee, I would recommend tin ackee all day. My black pepper just finished, which means I need to add it to my supermarket list. Alright, ackee and saltfish are bubble.
Mama, it's ready.
You guys, doesn't that look so good? You hungry?
Yeah.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, it's ready. You can go and sit, okay?
Is this?
No! What?
Is what?
Is
that?
this?
Yeah.
This is the uncooked one.
I want the uncooked one.
You can't eat it if it's not cooked. It has to be cooked first. You'll get sick.
It's uncooked.
It's cooked, see there? But this is just some extras. I'm gonna cook them. I'm gonna fry them in here. Okay? Alright, go and sit. It's ready. Yours coming right now. He's so happy. Alright, you guys, that's lunch. Ready for my belly. You can see her, honey? I can't. What are you doing?
I'm playing Paw Patrol.
You're playing
Mama,
Paw Patrol.
do you know what?
What?
The bad guys escaped from prison over there.
The bad guy escaped from prison is over there.
The bad guys are in this bus that the police don't know if they are in that bus. That if they look everywhere, they will know that is in that bus they went.
Okay.
And did you know who saved them?
You.
No,
Oh.
Rocky.
Okay.
Not
So Sarah about to pass you, babe.
this Rocky, the other Rocky.
Okay. Call Papa. 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 Call Papa. Pizza chef. Pizza chef in the kitchen. Jeez, it look yummy. Dala, good girl. Dinner time. And that's what dinner look like today. Is that cheese, the white thing?
When you look, you say it's not for you, it's only for Tyler and I.
I'm gonna taste it. You don't want me to taste it? Not even a taste?
No, I don't want you to taste it.
Give him a goat. Give him a goat. But no. It looks good. We definitely want a slice. See how babe doing me? He said I'm not supposed to even taste it. How dare he?
No, I mean, if she tastes it, she will want more than one.
I'm gonna taste it and say, give me another piece, don't it?
Help her before to test it and tell her you should not.
Tell her Mama not supposed to get any of the pizza.
Yes, you need. I'm making some salad if Papa don't want to give you the...
Because you know Mama loves salad, right?
Yes.
Alright, I appreciate it.
Hey guys, look here, pumpkin, a Jackson 5, a Jackson. You could have been a Jacksonette. You say Jacksonette in English, like a Jackson girl, the girl that do the chorus behind. Ooh, ooh.
Somebody please come and get him. Y'all please come and get him.
Right.
I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed.
You had a good day? What you mean you're ready to go to bed? It's not even 9.
So? I have to have a specific time to go to bed?
Yeah.
It's my bed. I go in it whenever I feel like going in.
Okay.
Nobody can tell me when to go to bed or when not to go to bed.
Okay.
Say me as red like lobster.
Yeah, cause me a lobster. Yeah, me stay at the house, me tan all day. You do?
Baby, you want to shave?
You want
look
to
at you.
shave?
You look like Harry.
Harry Potter?
No, Prince Harry.
Prince Harry?
With the red hair.
Ah. His hair more red than I.
Look at your beard. Baby, you guys, you can see that I'm tired, right?
No.
Yeah, I'm tired. Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy the bits and pieces of our day today. To make an expression for today is no bother with that. You're supposed to know what that
No
means.
bother with that.
No bother with that.
Ah, don't bother me.
If me say there's no bother with that. No bother with that, man.
That's English. That's not.
No bother with that. English. Who teach you English?
Don't bother me with that.
No bother with that means don't be bothered. Don't do that. That's what it
Don't
means.
do that. Don't be bothered with that, man.
No bother with that.
Okay, me know it.
What's the French expression for today? Don't do that. What does that mean in French?
Ne fais pas ça.
Okay. Ne fais pas ça. Don't do that.
Don't do that. Ne fais pas ça.
Ne fais pas ça.
Yeah.
Ne fais pas ça.
Tyler.
Tyler. Well, we always do
Yeah,
that to Tyler.
if you say to Tyler, you don't bother. Yeah, that bother say no. You say fais pas ça.
Okay. Okay, I get it.
Stronger, powerful, and you make the hungry face. Okay?
Okay, I'll do that.
Tyler, fais pas ça in your bedroom now. Yes, that's how you should go.
All right, you guys. On another note, I just want to tell you guys thank you again for all the overwhelming support that you guys have shown Kenisha. She appreciates it all more than you guys could ever imagine. Trust me. She called me this morning and we cried together on the phone because she was so surprised of the video that I posted and she was so grateful. She was just crying. She couldn't stop crying. She's more than appreciative and she just want to let you guys know that she sent her love and her gratitude and her thanks to all of you, and thank you again. We appreciate it all. Anyway, you guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow.